If you want to find your misplaced or lost iPhone that doesn't have a phone number, then let us see how to do it. Now for this one, there are two requirements. The first one is Find My iPhone should be enabled in your iPhone and your iPhone should be connected to internet. So what you do is open this website icloud.com/findmyiphone. Click on sign in and you have to log in with the same Apple ID that you have used in your iPhone. Then click on next, enter the password of the Apple ID, next, and click on allow. So two-factor authentication code will be sent. Now in order to receive this two-factor authentication code, you should have trusted device listed in your Apple ID. It can be your other Apple devices or your iMac. You have to enter this number here and then trust. Here you have to click on this icon Find My and you will see your Apple device here. So I can click on it and this is the location of my Apple device. So you can click on here and select different type of map here. So I can see this is the place where my iPhone is located right now. This is my home. We can also click on this option play sound and you can hear the sound of your iPhone if it is located in your home. So in this way you can find the location of your iPhone if it is misplaced, even though there is no phone number in your iPhone.